your mind when you hear Independence Day word?
I think I feel very proud because we fought for our nation to get freedom. So I feel proud.
I feel also proud, but we get the freedom from the British. We are in the democratic country. That's it.
I am also proud because we got the independence. After that, so many fight.
ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಏಕೆ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ?
ನಮಗೆ 1947ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ.
हमें कई को इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं.
We got freedom from British in 1947. That's we are proud.
ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಬಂದ ದಿವಸ
15 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆಯ ಅವಧಿ
52 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
Ratio of width to length of Indian flag.
3:2.
Who designed the Indian map?
R. Ashwin.
Which are the countries whose national anthem Rabindranath Tagore wrote?
India and Bangladesh.
Iron Man of India.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Who designed the national flag?
Gangale Venkaiah.
Who was the first president of India?
Rajendra.
Who was the first woman prime minister in India?
Indira Gandhi.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಟ ಯಾವುದು?
ಹಾಕಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹಣ್ಣು?
ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಹೂ?
ಕಮಲದ ಹೂ.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮರ?
ಆಲದ ಮರ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಯಾವುದು?
ಆನೆ.
Who was the first woman to host Indian national flag? Aruna Ashraf Ali. Who composed the song Vande Mataram?
ಬಂಕಿಂ ಚಂದ್ರ ಚಟರ್ಜಿ.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಲಾಂಛನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ 4 ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರಿದೆ?
ಆನೆ, ಸಿಂಹ, ಗೂಳಿ, ಕುದುರೆ.
I am KB Bashir Ahmed, Chairman, Malnad Lifeline Hospital, Bypass Road, Shumogga. I wish you, all of you, 78th Independence Day. Hearty congratulations. My quote of today is, join hands in hands. Brave Indians. By uniting we stand, by dividing we fall. Once again, I am wishing you happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Let's wear our patriotism like a badge of honor. Happy Independence Day.
Hi, I'm Dr. Adil Ahmed Khan, consultant neurosurgeon. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion of Independence Day, I wish you a happy, prosperous and a bright future. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Mahjabeen. Let us celebrate the spirit of freedom. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom flows in our veins. The spirit of India forever reigns. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom in the mind, faith in our heart, memories in our soul. Let's salute the nation on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 78ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯದ ಮನೋಭಾವವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ವೈಭವವನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Happy
78
Independence
Day. Happy Independence Day.
Happy
Independence Day.